All right, boss up, baby. It's your boy Credit K, Boss Up with K. We back with another great video. I'm gonna show you guys the best websites and load boards to find these courier contracts. If you can see my screen, I'm doing live on TikTok at the same time. You know, I multitask over here. And this video will be out on YouTube. So let's get it. All right, so there are several associations that a lot of other carriers are signed up under. And if you go to these association websites, you can find all the carriers in your state. And I'm going to show you how to search and find these carriers to get these loads, to get these load boards, to get your box truck, your cargo van, or even your small personal vehicle loaded up today. And first and foremost, we got one of the best associations I always preach, always show you guys for the past 2 years. I've been showing you this company right here, DCA, CLDA. Great website. All you have to do is come here and go to the main page, and they have a site place where you can search for delivery partners. Go to find delivery partner, and they got every delivery partner, every courier that signed up on their association in each state. So you just go on here, find the state where you live. Let's do New York. New York has over 27 partners available. So if you're in New York, drop me a like, and also drop what state you're in. You know, I find jobs, I find information for every state or every city. So you're watching this right now, go ahead and drop down your city, drop down your state, so I can do a specific video for you guys. And I do have specific videos already on this channel for almost about 30 states. So if you having a hard time finding something in your area, go look on my channel, YouTube channel, go to find courier position in your state, and yeah, you'll get some stuff going. Go ahead and get these likes up, gang. Get these likes up. Hit that like button, and let's get into it. So the CLDA is the first one. This is New York. You see all the companies they have: Advent Business, Customs, Custom Courier, all of here. So you see all of the courier that's in New York. So you see those, and then we got other states as well. We just go back. If y'all want to see some more states, we got those as well. Let's see. Let's go to Georgia, my home state. Let's see what's in Georgia. The same companies are available. You can search a lot of these companies by Google as well. I want to show you how to search Google for a lot of these companies as well. But this is a great resource. You got the direct website link. No guessing if it's a real company, if they're in business. They're on this list. They are in business, and they want to get you paid. They want to provide things for you. Go ahead and tap that. Get some lights going in here, man. All right, so next we got the ECA. This is another association for delivery and courier drivers. Same thing. Go to the home page. Go to carriers. You want to find carriers. If you can see this here, you can see a whole list of carriers. You can search by state, by mileage, how far off you want to drive, what type of vehicle you got, and you can see what type of equipment these companies use in which state. So of course we're going to do Georgia, and let's do cargo vans. So you can do cars, other courier vehicles as well, not just cargo vans or box trucks. You can do regular vehicles as well. So these are all the companies in Georgia that take cargo van drivers. You see it's at least over about 60 of them. 2-page full of people in Georgia, companies in Georgia, that you can go to their profile, find their website, find their phone number. You got direct contact. You got the owner's name. You got the owner's information right here on the website screen. You can contact the owner directly. That's crazy. And you will be able to find information about the company, email the owner, send them pictures of your equipment, and possibly get on a lot faster than other people. And then this one is, they got locations in Raleigh, North Carolina, South Carolina as well. So they probably operate in Georgia, although their home office is in North Carolina and South Carolina. They probably do run regionally. So that's the thing with those two. So we got two down. We got the CLDA and the ECA. And next, I'm going to show you guys how to search on Google. Now, whenever I'm looking for a courier position on Google, I just simply type in 1099 contractor position, and it's easily to fine. So go ahead and hit those likes, get them likes. So I'm gonna show you guys on TikTok, showing you guys right here on the tube. Just come here, type 1099 delivery contractors, then your city or state. I got 1099 delivery contractors in Atlanta, Georgia. And you search that, and then you see a lot of websites, mostly from ZipRecruiter, Indeed, and Glassdoor. Those are the main three you will see information from: Glassdoor, Indeed, and ZipRecruiter. Those three will get you finding positions, driving positions, jobs, independent contractors, allow you to be your own boss, use your own vehicle that you have now to get rolling. Let's click on this first Indeed ad. Here's some regional stuff, $21 an hour, silver rides. And if you don't have your own vehicle, this is a great way to get rolling with these companies. Even if you don't have your own vehicle, a lot of these companies provide vehicles for you, and a lot of other ones allow you to drive your own vehicle, allow you to be your own boss and independent contractor. So that's what you want. That's how you get started in this game. So doing a quick Google search, using those terms, you can swap it out for medical courier. If you want to do medical courier work, you can swap it out for all three of those. All right. So give me a like, man. Drop that like. All this free game, this information I'm giving you guys, I appreciate it. And then we got Big Dog American Expediting. This company is all over the country, and one of the first companies I got contracted with when I got my cargo van last year. And they pay very, very well without all the fees and without all the crazy stuff that a lot of these other companies like Courier Connection and Courier Express, those two may be the worst as far as little ticky-tacky fees they like to throw on to your route and get you, during payout, so you lower your amount you get paid out, man. I appreciate y'all getting them likes up. Yes, sir. I'm giving y'all this free game on how to get these courier contracts. And this is one website, Indeed, Glassdoor, and ZipRecruiter are the top three ones. I'm looking for that here, ZipRecruiter. And then also you can set your own little alerts. So they inbox me every day, every week, however you want to set it. Job, so independent contractor, fleet driver for the taxi checker company. Interesting. Courier driver, Ameriship, Parcel delivery, delivering packages. Here's one, you got to be DOT certified. So if you're DOT certified, you definitely should be making a little bit more money. My suggestion, if you guys are DOT certified, do not take anything under than like $25 an hour. This one's paying $19 an hour. That is crap pay. You are certified, you are trained, you want to get paid the most money. Matter of fact, anything delivery-wise, unless you're driving your car, maybe less than 50 miles, everything should be more than $20 an hour anywhere in the country. I don't care where you are. Demand higher pay. Look at this crap pay, $15.21. Definitely demand the best pay as possible. You can always negotiate. And if they're not willing to give you what you want, then you move on to another company. Or if you got to do what you got to do, then you might have to settle for those funds. All right. I appreciate y'all, man, tapping in with me today, watching this video. If you're gaining value, hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and please share this with other people who looking to get started. Now, let's get into talking about some government contracting. Talking about some government contracting for business. Of course, this is a courier-related video, delivery-related video. So we're going to talk about government contracting related to delivering things. But this website, findrfp.com, will allow you to get government contracts. Now, this is not a free website. You do sign up for a free trial. I did my free trial. I was able to find some good things. I am thinking about purchasing this web full time and going hard on the government contracting. Still kind of learn the ins and outs, but if you guys are familiar with government contracting, if you want to get started with government contracting, go ahead and come to this website, sign up for a free trial. You can start looking around for some of the jobs. So I typed in courier in Georgia, and let's see what we got. So we got a couple of things, most of them in Florida, Tennessee. Here's one, a mail delivery service. Now, with mail courier service, mail courier contracts have less boundaries and less restrictions than a lot of other government contracting. You don't have to be signed up with SAMS. SAMS is like a government contracting, clearing site to kind of just, run your background, make sure your business is credible before bidding on contracts. But with mail contracts, you don't have to be SAM certified, and you can kind of bid on these as well. I did bid on some when I did my trial. You know, I got outbid, I guess. I didn't win. I didn't get contacted, but these are ways you guys can get government contracts. I'm giving y'all free information about government contracts, where to find them, man. You got to hit that like button for your boy. You got to hit subscribe, man. I'm trying to run it up. We're trying to get all the way up to 30,000 subscribers on YouTube, even more on TikTok. Let's go. Next, we got Drive. Drive is partnered with CB Driver. I'm going to talk about CB Driver next. But this is a partner website with CB Driver, courierboard.com. Can't get easier than that. It's load board for courier drivers. So you can see all of these ads. These people need freight move. These people need a dispatcher here. So it's not just for drivers. We got dispatch information, all kind of information. You can come to your city, state down here, or you can type it in and find all of these that you need. Just view classified. Here's people want help wanted. Courier dispatchers, drivers, part-time dispatchers. What else we got? Location. So this website has all kind of things. Here's Atlanta Courier Network. So you can come here, see what things you need picked up, see what things you need transported. Great website, great utility for you guys. Courierboard.com. You can see all the couriers in your state, in your city as well. Here's Courier Express, the one I told you got to possibly stay away from, and Courier Connection. Express Errands is a very good one. I work for them very briefly, delivering medical prescriptions. Very good company, pay pretty well. And Blue Streak is another good company that I've done a on-demand delivery with. And they're a very good company as well. They get you paid. Go ahead and drop them likes. That's Erskine. So that's courierboard.com. Let's go back and talk about CB Driver next. CB Driver, like I said, just like that website we just saw. CB is the partner website, and as you see, it looks just like it. Wow, the color scheme and everything. Drive, Courier Board, and CB Driver, Courier Board Driver, same thing. So this one is more of the companies that hire, so you can find them. This one is more for the drivers like you who looking to get loaded. This may be one of the easiest websites to find jobs, but just because you find the job don't mean you're going to get hired. So you got to put in the work, call, email, do your due diligence, present yourself in the best way to get these contracts with these companies. This one paying $160 daily, not bad, out of Stone Mountain. Here's another one, Offstale, near the box truck. Start tomorrow. Sign up today, start tomorrow. I know what this one is. This is NDB Driver. I did this one auto parts delivery. I negotiated a slightly higher rate, but yeah, this is the same place. So this is NTB, I think the NB, I've got the name, NDS, National Delivery Service. So I work for them. They bump your pay up a little higher than that $150. They can definitely give you $10, $20 more. You need somebody very, very bad over there. And they own a fuel surcharge. They did give me like a couple of dollars on the fuel. That was pretty cool. It was cool. There's just a lot of wear and tear on the vehicle going back and forth to the warehouse every day. But it is a job. It is good money. It is consistent money. They pay out weekly. So I do recommend doing these little courier jobs like that. All right. Appreciate y'all getting these likes up. Yes, yes. So that is CB Driver. We got CB Driver. We got Drive Talk. And last but not least, we got another great association. This is called Association for Delivery Drivers, AD. Can't get any more simple than that. Association for Delivery Drivers. How can you beat that? So go ahead. I'm giving you all this information. I gave you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 websites today. Hit that like button for you, boy. I'm going to keep saying that. I love it. I love it. I love it when we get these likes up. Go ahead and drop a comment down below where you are, what city and state you are in, so I can know, so I can bring you more information and more courier and more side hustles and ways to get money in your town. And I'm coming out to Vegas pretty soon. So if you're looking at this before November 20th, I'm coming out to Vegas. Race weekend, handle some business. So if you're out there, I'd love to link up with some people. All right. So this is the A4D Association Delivery. Come here. Go to driver benefits, get more work, and then discover carriers part 2. Do it again. Driver benefits, get more work, discover carriers part deuce. Or you can do part 1, but we're on part deuce. And then you can see the CLDA one I talked about already. Here's some more associations. Here's the ECA. So these two I already talked about. And here's some more you can go to. One for Florida, one for New York exclusively. And yeah, get more work. Join the firm. Now hiring. You can see different couriers are advertising. Here's one in Phoenix, Pennsylvania, Ohio. There's another one for the DMV area. So a lot of courier companies advertise on here. It's a great way to, find insurance, find discounts on different services. It's just a great resource for courier and delivery drivers and your box trucks and even your over-the-road truckers to get some information about this business, about the game and what's coming up, as far as, laws and different things around the country. All right. We got driver contracts. So if you, contracting out a driver, you can get help with those contracts. You can get business consulting, all of this stuff by joining this association. All right. Some things are free. I promote on this channel. Some things you may have to put a little money into, but free resources are always not as good as the paid resources. Remember that. I'm going to say that again. The paid resources are always better than free resources. So paying for consultation with me or other people versus just watching these videos and get you a lot faster, get further faster, or, just going paying for these certain websites, you get more information than the free ones. All right. All right. It's your boy K, man. Always dropping the gems, getting you guys paid on the courier end. Stuck around to the end of this video. I know you love it. Hit that like button again, hit that subscribe button, and hit the share. Share this with your friends and family. And don't forget, I'm here every day dropping content online, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. I'm everywhere. You never there. So go in my free Facebook group, get my Courier Ebook, link down in all the descriptions. If you need a CPN, if you need any other stuff to help build your credit back up, business credit, consultations, message me with all that. All right? All right. Later on. Boss up, baby. Yeah.